In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lorem Ipsum text in Figma. If you're into design, you're probably already familiar with Figma, this fantastic collaborative interface design tool. It's a great platform for working with teams to bring your design projects to life. Today we're going to make our design projects a little more streamlined by incorporating placeholder text, the classic Lorem Ipsum. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Figma's website. If you aren't logged in yet, now would be a good time to do so. Simply click on the login button at the top right of your screen. This will require your usual credentials, so make sure you have them handy. Once you're logged in, you're taken to the Figma homepage, a hub for all your design activities, recent files, and shared projects. From the homepage, you'll want to navigate to your design files. To do this, click on the Design tab. This area houses all your active design files, making it easier for you to choose where you'd like to add your Lorem Ipsum text. Once you've selected your desired file, it's time to dive deeper into your design tasks. Inside your chosen design project, click on the section labeled Action. This section is pivotal because it allows you to execute various design-related actions efficiently. With this action panel open, you'll want to utilize the search function, typing in Lorem Ipsum. This search will bring up any plugins or add-ons related to Lorem Ipsum within the Figma environment. It's a nifty way to find tools that can automate the insertion of placeholder content. When you see the Lorem Ipsum option appear, give it a click. This will usually be linked to a plugin that you can easily install and activate within Figma. These plugins are incredibly useful for designers who regularly need placeholder text without fuss. Once the plugin is active in your Figma project, you can select a text box wherever you want the Lorem Ipsum to appear, and with just a few clicks, your text area will be filled with the classic dummy text we know and often use. And there you have it. Adding Lorem Ipsum text in Figma is as simple as logging in, navigating to your project, and using the search and action functions to automatically fill your design with placeholder text. This simple yet effective tool can save you precious time and keep you focused on what you do best, designing. Remember, Figma's versatile platform paired with the use of practical plugins empowers your design process, allowing for greater creativity and collaboration. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.